from home and conduct their school activities online will not make any difference, will not address the grievances faced by the public. It will only exacerbate the mess, it will only contribute to their frustration, it will only contribute to their disappointment, and it will bring more people to the road.
People will not be able to find the food if they don't make money. So what I think is this lockdown will never help